Hey, this is Brian, the main contributor to the Smart Connections Obsidian plugin, and I'm about to go through the different GitHub issues that I have been unable to respond to. It takes a lot of time to read through the issues and formulate a good response, so I'm hoping that by recording my process, you can see what I'm thinking as I'm coming up with the response, and hopefully that will provide you with more insights on what the future of smart connections look like, and also answer whatever questions it is that you had in the issue itself. Thanks for watching, and let's get started. Okay, issue number 54, something that would be very helpful. Video for the plugin. Fortunately, there have been quite a few people that have created videos about smart connections. I'm super happy about that. I can't really explain the feeling of seeing somebody else explaining the thing that I work on, so hard to produce, and seeing other people sharing how it's working for them is really awesome. So, Rotello, I don't know if you ever made that video. I have a list of these videos. I created. Let's see. Fucking cool. Yeah, so I mean, people are trying to get the videos made. Let me quick add something here. So YouTube, I have a little playlist. Obsidian Smart Connections. I don't know. Let me see. What am I doing? I know a lot of people are like, YouTube is a huge content source for them, but like I feel like I don't know what I'm doing on YouTube at all. We've got a handful of third-party videos, and then some more recent ones. I'm going to continue to be adding any third-party videos I see to this playlist. YouTube playlist. Check out this Smart Connections YouTube playlist. Okay, so, I hope that is helpful. I'm going to close this because the videos, they're coming. So let's close that out. I'm going to add the recorded response label so then I can connect this video, and there'll be more I'm trying to think here. So like, it's been something I've been really wanting to do a better job of, which is promoting the content other people are creating about smart connections. So if you are a creator and you make a blog post or a YouTube video or like any type of content about smart connections, please don't hesitate to get a hold of me. So like right now, I occasionally get a Google alert that shows me a new blog post or a YouTube video that somebody created. But when I actually start searching, like to try to find like what has the Google alert missed, it's a lot. Like I might have gotten a handful of Google alerts about the YouTube videos that mention smart connections, but when I did a search on YouTube, I found dozens. So don't hesitate to reach out to me because I want to reshare the content. I can reshare it on, Twitter, LinkedIn, with people that, really already care about smart connections. So making sure you get that content to me will bring more people to your content. But also, by making sure I'm aware of the content, it'll allow me to add it to the YouTube playlist if applicable, and in the Smart Connections README, I intend to list this content, for new users of the plugin. So yeah, in short, these videos are getting made, and content is getting made, but just make sure, if you're the one creating it, make sure to reach out to me, because I want to do my best to help get your videos out there. I'm trying to make videos on my own, but as I'm sure you've already noticed, my production skills are not what most people are familiar with on YouTube. So my goal is to record these videos and get them out there in a quantity over quality type of way right now. I want to, I've got so much going on with the project. Like, so many things I want to do. The mission behind it is something that's really important to me, and I could share about how, I see empowering individuals, through tools like Smart Connections. I could talk about how I see that changing things for the better. I mean, I could talk about that for the next 10 minutes, so I won't even get started right now, but I'm trying to get the content out there, but there are a lot of high quality writers, there's high quality YouTube creators that are already putting out content that is most useful for a new user of Smart Connections. So definitely don't just rely on my videos, because I'm trying to get a lot out there, so people can kind of see where my head's at. But if you're looking for like a high quality production, there are those videos too, and I want to make sure more people see those. So reach out to me. Onward.